Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change account type on QuickBooks. So all you have to do is head over to qbo.intuit.com and log into your account. Next is just click on the settings button, then click on chart of accounts. So from here, you should be able to see a list of accounts and just choose the one that you want to change the account type. Then click on this down button, then click on edit. From here, you can easily edit your account and even your account type. Just click on the drop down menu and choose the account type that you want for this certain account. Then once done, just click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!